the metal giant of the night. As the city prepares to sleep and the rush of the road begins to fade, yellow lights suddenly flicker in the distance. Unlike any ordinary truck, a massive silhouette stretching from one edge of the road to the other slowly inches closer. It is a metro pillar girder on its way. This concrete behemoth weighs hundreds of tons. To support the massive weight that will one day form the skyway for metro trains, a strange vehicle with a sea of wheels stands assembled beneath it. Every wheel of the trailer rolls in perfect rhythm. It is a sight to behold as each set of wheels turns at a precise angle to navigate the curves. Accompanied by pilot vehicles to ensure it clears power lines and overhanging branches, the giant moves steadily forward. Anyone watching would realize this isn't just a journey. Carried within that vehicle is the sweat and grit of engineers and drivers. It is after these sleepless nights that the beautiful metro bridges we see finally rise. As the giant fades into the distance, everyone watching is left with the thrill of having witnessed a massive leap toward the development of tomorrow.